Hello there everyone, and we thank you for joining us for the Matt's Weather Weekly Weather News. Today is Saturday, January 25th, 2014. And today I'm going to be reading you a section that I have chosen out of the book Restless Skies by Paul Douglas. And it's really quite an interesting book. It really gets into a lot of the different aspects of weather and weather forecasting, and it talks a little bit about how weather got the name of meteorology. And that's actually what we're going to talk a little bit about today in the section that I've chosen to share with you guys. So let's get right to that. The philosopher Aristotle once mused that the second greatest problem known to man, second only to the study of human nature itself, was the problem of the weather. The ancient Greeks marveled over hydrometeors, or clouds, igneous meteors, lightning, and even luminous meteors, rainbows and halos. Meteors were defined as anything in the air, and so came the study of meteorology. Very interesting. Some of America's first weather forecasters were farmers trading postcards by mail, sharing stories of what the rain, hail, and wind were doing to their livelihoods. If they had the right idea, the first order of business, describe what is happening right now. To be able to predict the weather, one has to know what's happening now, not just over America, but worldwide. That brings up a problem. No matter how many supercomputers we employ, there are gaps in the data. We don't have good information from third world countries and over oceans, for example. We rely on weather satellites to fill in the missing information. But that's a little like trying to do a jigsaw puzzle with half of the pieces missing. One quickly appreciates the sheer complexity of trying to anticipate Mother Nature's next move. So that gives a little bit of an inside scoop on how why meteorology is called meteorology, and also a little bit of insight as to why the weather forecast can't always be 100% accurate. There's always going to be times that it's wrong, but it's done as accurately as humanly possible. So it's just very interesting though, and this book gets into a lot of different things like that, and I may share some other interesting tidbits from this book in the future on the Weather News. Alright, and so with that, let's get right to your WFSB Channel 3 early warning 7-day forecast. Your forecast for today, Saturday, January 25th. Becoming cloudy and windy. Snow showers likely from mid-afternoon into the evening hours. A coating of 2 inches possible. High 32 degrees inland, 34 at the shore. So a little bit of snow showers are going to start rolling through the state this afternoon into this evening. Current time right now is 2:45 p.m. And there's a few flurries outside the Matt's Weather Studio now in Fairfield County, Connecticut. So this is not like a big storm or anything like that. So it's nothing that's going to really be substantial. It's just could make a few roads a little bit slick as we get into the later afternoon and evening hours this evening, because we're expecting no more than 2 inches of snow anywhere in Connecticut from this small snow event today. So anywhere from a coating to 2 inches possible today. Tomorrow, Sunday, January 26th, partly sunny, windy, and cold. High 19 degrees inland, 21 at the shore. A chance for snow showers Sunday night. Monday, a chance for snow showers in the morning, then partly sunny and windy. High 32 degrees inland, 34 at the shore. And we are watching a little bit of a storm Sunday night into Monday morning. We will definitely keep you posted on that if that turns into be anything big. We're not really sure at this point. Tuesday, mostly sunny, breezy, and colder. High 20 degrees inland, 22 at the shore. Wednesday, mostly sunny and cold. High 22 degrees inland, 25 at the shore. Thursday, mostly sunny and continued cold. High 26 degrees inland, 29 at the shore. And next Friday, January 31st, partly to mostly sunny, not quite as cold. High 31 degrees inland, 33 at the shore. So other than a little bit of snow we're expecting to kind of move through this afternoon, and a chance for a little bit of a storm Sunday night into Monday, it doesn't look like we have any major weather events within the next 7 days other than the extremely cold weather that we're experiencing. Well, we're not really experiencing it today. We have a high at 32 degrees inland today, so it's a little bit warmer than it's been the last few days today, but we're going to get right back into that cold tomorrow and really through the rest of the weekend. It's going to warm up just a little bit back into the 30s for daytime highs as we get near the end of this upcoming week. And again, just to, kind of reinforce that this is not that big a snow thing today. There are no weather alerts in effect for this small line of snow showers moving through. It's so yeah. So that'll do it for the Matt's Weather Weekly Weather News this week. We have no guest viewer segment this week. Any questions or comments on anything, you can always email me at mattsweather1, the number 1, at AOL.com. And we hope you join us for the Matt's Weather Weekly Weather News next Saturday, February 1st. Be kind to one another. Goodbye.